In the last video, you saw that the mold was white. Here it is on the frame. Nick worked with a liquid layer of gold and then acrylic paints to get the color just right. It's done and it looks fantastic. Nick did a great job. He created a mold and painted it. You can't even tell where the repair job was. We did decide with the client that we would leave the joins as they are. This is a vintage frame, but it looks fantastic.
Oh my gosh.
That really came out.
That could not be more perfect.
And you chose the right map.
Yep, absolutely.
Now, the one
Okay.
that caused me all the work, which is not your fault, it's my
This
fault.
lady?
Yes.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
I waxed the frame and sealed it. Just feel it. Just feels a little.
Oh.
So, here's the story.
Okay.
So remember we talked about we really weren't going to do a lot on these corners, just kind of let them be.
Okay.
But I was kind of tapping this corner to bring it in a little bit, just
Okay.
to make it a little better. Well, this stuff is I put on here with plaster, and a whole section from here to here just vibrated off.
Oh no.
But look at the repair.
Yeah, I mean,
You can't tell.
I can't tell
So
at
do you know
all.
what I did?
yeah.
I made a mold. This is a mold compound, and I poured it in here.
Wow.
There's about 12, 13 coats of it. You let it build up.
Uh-huh.
Then you peel it off, and that's the mold. You can feel it's a negative.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you pour in this part A and B compound that hardens up.
Yeah.
You take it out, and then you have this bright white.
Uh-huh.
So then because this almost has a little gold in it.
Uh-huh.
And so what I did was first I put gold over this,
Mm-hmm.
and then got some various acrylic paints, and then worked to get
Oh
just the
my
right
gosh.
tone.
That's
And honestly,
amazing.
I
It's
think you
beautiful.
almost
Yeah.
can't tell.
Yeah,
So anyway,
I wouldn't have
I didn't want to
noticed.
have to call you and say we messed up your frame, but it was a fun project, and
Oh, that's so cool.
we're thrilled with how they came out.
I am too. I couldn't even have pictured them looking like, you know, when we were picking out the mat boards and everything.
Yeah.
I wasn't thinking of it all coming together, and it's perfect.
Yeah, they look